2, 1, go!
We have another good one. We have our number 18 versus our number 4 and 17, 35-98, immediately rushing out to the center of the field and pushing all the fuel to prevent the Blue Alliance from having great autos. 35-98, putting up a load of fuel. Meanwhile, over on the Blue Alliance, we have some issues as 971 was not able to get to the center of the field, which means actually the Blue Alliance, thanks to some human player shots, have the advantage coming out of autonomous. It will be red shift first, so we have the Blue Alliance immediately, 971 picking up a load of fuel, but they're not going to have enough time before the red shift starts. 35-98, they're using that turreted shooter of theirs. They're putting fuel up into that hub. Meanwhile, 1452, one of our SoCal teams, they're putting up a load of fuel into that hub as well. 7607 trying to help the cause by feeding fuel to their human players. Another SoCal team here. As we transition over to the Blue Alliance shift, we immediately have 971 putting up a ton of fuel up into that hopper, but as of right now, 3045 seems to be having some issues. 4990, they're also helping the cause by funneling fuel back to their Alliance zone. 971, another volley going up. Dual turrets working in action. As they end their shift, we move back to the Red Alliance. 1452 with a volley of fuel. 3598, they're going to help out the volley of fuel as well. As the Red Alliance, not too far behind that high-powered Blue Alliance. They have about 7 seconds left in their shift. Some last scoring from the human players as we transition back to the blue shift for the final individual shift of the match. 971, a full hopper ready to go. They're going to shoot up into that hub and score a load of fuel. And go back for more. They have a lot of fuel at their disposal on their Alliance zone. Meanwhile, their Alliance partners, 4990, they're going to continue to funnel back fuel to that Alliance zone for the Blue Alliance. We have reached the end game period. 971 transitioning to the Red Alliance zone, deciding that they have gotten the Energized ranking point. It is now more important to make sure the Red Alliance cannot come back. But Red Alliance has something to say about that as 3598, they are loading fuel into their hub. So is 1452. They're lining up with 12 seconds remaining. We may see some climbs. We'll see. With 7 seconds left, 3598 a volley. 971 has a volley going up with 2, 1.